I'm excited to talk to you today about this product that we have. It's called the Homestyle Renovation Product. We get calls often from people that are looking to buy a home, their family is growing, they're looking to upsize, but they're being priced out of the market because so many people are moving here from other states. Because of our no state income tax and low property taxes, they don't mind offering $100,000 above asking and losing that money because they'll make it up within a couple of years. So this product allows for any homeowner to renovate their home, put an addition onto their home, but unlike a two-time traditional closed construction loan, this is a one-time close, it's one mortgage, it's one payment, and it's one closing. So basically the way it works is there's no minimum loan amount or renovation budget, but we have to stay within the confines of Fannie Mae's conventional conforming loan amounts of $548, $250 and below. So we can do this on a purchase money loan, or we can do it as a refinance. It has to be a primary residence though. We can't do this with second homes and with investment properties. So basically what happens is it's a fixed rate loan. We get a copy of the plans and specs from the contractor, a copy of the budget, and a copy of the cost estimates from the contractor. So the loan to value of this mortgage can even go as high as 97% loan to value. So we close it like a traditional cash out refinance, but the money is put into a construction account with us here at Renaissance, and then we issue draws to your builder as per the plans and specs. Yeah, you have to have an approved contractor in order to get the mortgage. So it saves you from having to be out putting in multiple offers above asking offers. This allows for you to do a simple one-time close, essentially construction loan, and put a renovation onto your house if your family is growing or if you need an office, because a lot of people are at home now during COVID. So if you're looking to do maybe a home remodel or expand your home, this is a great option for you. It's a one-time close, it's one mortgage, it's a conventional fixed rate, and your payment starts the month after you close as if you just refinanced your house. So it's very easy and accommodating. So if you have any questions, please contact myself or my team. We're here to help anytime. Talk to you soon.